Hi, eBayers. It's Suzanne, and I have a freebie from the Premium Library for you. The original air date of the information in this video was June of 2018, and it still holds true today. So if you've been a premium member, you already know this, but this is just a freebie to help all of you out there understand about search engine optimization and this method to help improve your sales. And it just takes one click. This is the kind of information you get in the premium library, practical information that you can use, apply it today, and you see more sales. So let me explain what this is about.
I have a quick search engine optimization tip to give you today to hopefully help sell some more of your items. I am actually working on my eBay stores this weekend. Today is Saturday, June the 9th, and I went thrifting for 7 hours yesterday. So I have my own huge pile here of stuff to do. So let me just tell you about this quick tip because over the years I have studied a lot about blogging and optimizing articles I write and also optimizing my YouTube videos to get the views that I get. And what I try to do is apply that knowledge to eBay listings to see if it'll work. Some of these things I tell you are not always told by eBay. They're just things that I'm figuring out from my experience doing article writing, blogging, YouTube, as far as optimizing that could apply to eBay. So that's what we're going to go with here. So here I have an item I'm listing. I've done everything I need to do as far as filling out the listing. Okay, so everything's good. I've got all my stuff filled in, and what I'm going to do is hit list item. So you're going to get this page, success, you've listed your item for sale. What you want to do is click on it where it says check it out. So it'll open in a new window. What this does is this tells Google, hey, there's a new thing out here on the internet. Here it is. Because guess what? Someone's clicked on it. This is a technique that bloggers use to send their items out to the search engines. Because if something's out there online and it's had a click on it, it's active and it's going to get more activity. So that's what you should do, is just once you've sent it live, is click on the listing and just go to that page. This is also something that YouTube recommends. YouTube looks at a lot of things to rank videos. Unfortunately, some of those things are not great for viewers. For example, having really long videos and having live streams both increase your placement on the search on YouTube. That's why you see so many people doing these live videos that are really long, because they think that's going to increase their traffic. That's another story. But YouTube likes engagement. They like, when people click the like button or even the unlike button, which is so funny because I get thumbs down on my videos. Everybody does. But even if it's haters out there that are just trying to be obnoxious or trolls or whatever you want to call them, even when they're doing a thumbs down on my video, that's good for me because that means somebody watched it and has an opinion and they engaged with it. So I don't even care if that happens. Comments, when people comment, that's engagement. So you can look at this as somewhat of engagement on your listing. Also, if you're doing it on mobile and you send it live, do the same thing. Click on it so that this page with this URL has had a visitor. That may help your listing get indexed faster on Google and search engines because the page has had a visitor. So this page view here, this is me. That's okay. I don't mind. But try that technique because I've used it for years blogging, and this was one of the first things I learned before we got into all this SEO stuff and all this complicated stuff that's out there now. That, I mean, you have to pretty much work for NASA to understand all of it. But this is just one simple thing you can do to visit the link that you've created so it's had a visitor and the search engines will see it. So can I prove it? Of course not. I can't prove, there's no way to prove it. But it's a quick thing you can do. Just make it a habit. Every time after you list an item and you get this screen, success, you've listed your item for sale, click on that and open up a new window and just visit the listing. I would also love to know if you have a second to comment if you knew this or not. One thing I'm trying to do with these premium videos is give you information that you don't already know. Obviously, there's no way I can know what you know, so you got to tell me yay or nay. I knew this, I didn't know this. Yes, it's so obvious. Why are you wasting my time with a video? Whatever. When I talk to people about eBay, the best reaction I can get is, I didn't know that. I learned something new. Because, again, I've studied this a lot in my eBay history and in my blogging, article writing, video making history to see what it's going to take to get views on a blog post, a video, or an eBay listing. So if you just have a second, I would love a comment if you knew this or not. And as always, I'm here for you. If you have any questions, contact me, and I would love your suggestions for videos. Thanks so much. Have a great day. I'm going to get back to my listing now. Bye.